Deleting a known Wi-Fi network on your iPhone 15 can help you manage your network connections and remove outdated or unwanted networks from your device. Here's how it's done. First, return to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. Next, tap on the edit button in the top corner. You'll need to enter your screen PIN, password, or Face ID to proceed. From the list of known networks, tap to select the one you want to remove. Then, tap on the Remove button or minus sign next to the selected network. Doing so will load up additional controls for the selected network. Simply tap on Delete to confirm. After removing the network, tap on the Done button on the upper rightmost corner. Finally, tap on Remove to complete the process. Repeat the same steps to remove or delete other known Wi-Fi networks from your device. Once you're done, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to return to the home screen. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.